Heck yeah. My boss is getting some right now. Well guys, this is officially the first video from inside Mingo Job Corps. We've had this project for a while now, and we are just finally getting to it because the weather is pretty good for today. We got a Caterpillar, I think is like a 413 excavator, with my boss in it. Jason Keith is currently operating that excavator, tearing down the old wellness building, and sometime within the next couple of weeks we will come in with the mini excavators and load them into our Mac-R dump truck and haul it out. So this might be the first of many videos to come throughout the day, so please keep an eye out for all these videos from within Mingo Job Corps.